Let me guess something about you. You have goals. Big ones. Maybe you want better grades. Maybe you want to get fit. Start a YouTube channel. Make money online. Learn a skill. Change your life. But instead, you wake up, check your phone, scroll for 5 minutes, and suddenly it's 2 hours gone. You say, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. And deep down, you feel guilty. Not lazy. Not dumb. Just stuck. If that sounds like you, this video might genuinely change your life. Because today, I'm not going to give you motivation. I'm going to give you a system to kill procrastination forever. Let's fix this. Starting today. Part 1. The truth about procrastination. First, we need to clear one big lie. Procrastination is not laziness. Most people think, I'm lazy. I have no discipline. Something's wrong with me. No, that's not true. Here's the truth. Procrastination is emotional, not logical. You don't avoid work because it's hard. You avoid it because it feels uncomfortable. Your brain hates boredom, stress, uncertainty, fear of failure. So what does it do? It chooses comfort. Scrolling, Netflix, gaming, snacks, anything that gives instant dopamine. Your brain says, let's feel good now, we'll deal with life later. And boom, procrastination happens. So stop calling yourself lazy. You're just human. But the problem is, if you don't control your brain will control your life. Part 2. The cost of tomorrow. Let me ask you something. How many times have you said, I'll start tomorrow, gym tomorrow, study tomorrow, diet tomorrow, business idea tomorrow? But here's something scary. Tomorrow is the most dangerous word in the English language, because tomorrow feels safe, but it quietly destroys years of your life. One day of delay doesn't hurt, but 365 tomorrows? That's one whole year gone. Imagine this. 2 versions of you. Version A starts today. Version B starts next week. After 5 years, version A, fitter, confident, skilled, ahead of everyone. Version B, still planning, still waiting, still saying soon. The difference, not talent, not intelligence, just one thing. They started. That's it. Success isn't about being special. It's about starting before you feel ready. Part 3. Why motivation will never save you. Here's another harsh truth. Motivation is fake, temporary, unreliable. You watch one motivational video, you feel pumped. Let's go, new life. Next day, gone, back to scrolling. Because motivation is like sugar, quick energy, fast crash. If you depend on motivation, you will always procrastinate. Winners don't rely on motivation, they rely on systems. And now I'll show you the exact system. The 7-step system to stop procrastinating. Step 1. Shrink the task 2-minute rule. Big tasks scare your brain. Study for 3 hours. Work out for 1 hour. Start business. Too big. Your brain says, nope. So shrink it. Make it stupidly easy. Instead of, study 3 hours. Say, study 2 minutes. Instead of, go to gym. Say, wear gym shoes. Sounds silly? Good. Because starting is the hardest part. Once you start, momentum takes over. Most days you'll continue longer anyway. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Step 2. Remove distractions physically. Listen carefully. Willpower is trash. Environment is king. If your phone is next to you, you will use it. So don't try harder. Make it impossible. Do this. Put phone in another room. Use website blockers. Clean your desk. Delete useless apps. Make distractions harder. Make work easier. Your brain always chooses the easier option, so design your environment smartly. Step 3. Use the 5-second rule. This trick is powerful. When you think, I should start studying, your brain has 5 seconds before excuses start. So count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move. Stand up immediately. Don't think. Thinking creates fear. Action kills fear. Every time you hesitate, count down and move. Train yourself like a soldier. No debate, just action. Step 4. Time block your day. Most people procrastinate because their day is chaos. They say, I'll study sometime today. Sometime never comes. Instead, schedule everything. Example, 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock study. 5 o'clock to 5:30 gym. 6 o'clock, chill. Now your brain knows exactly what to do. No confusion. No decision fatigue. Clarity equals action. Step 5. Focus on identity. This is huge. Stop saying, I want to study more. Say, I am becoming a disciplined person. Identity changes everything. If you believe, I'm lazy, you'll act lazy. If you believe, I'm disciplined, your brain tries to prove it true. So every small action say, I'm the type of person who finishes what I start. You're not building habits, you're building a new identity. Step 6, track wins daily. Your brain loves progress, so track it. Use a calendar. Every day you complete your task gives Mark an X. After 10 days, you see a chain. Now you don't want to break it. This creates momentum. Success becomes addictive. Small wins gives big confidence, gives less procrastination. Step 7, forgive yourself fast. This one is important. You will mess up. One lazy day happens. That's normal. But most people say, I failed. Might as well quit. Don't do that. Rule, never miss twice. One bad day equals human. 2 bad days equals habit. So fall, get back up immediately. No guilt, no drama. Just continue. Part 4, the mindset shift. Here's something that changed my life. Stop asking, how do I feel today? Ask, what would my future self thank me for? Future you is watching. Every choice matters. Scrolling or improving. Comfort now or confidence later. Every time choose future you. That's maturity. That's discipline. Final story plus emotional close. Imagine it's 1 year from today. You wake up, look in the mirror, and you're proud. You're stronger, smarter, more confident. Because you stopped waiting. You stopped saying tomorrow. You just started. Not perfectly, not motivated, but consistently. And that's all it takes. Not genius, not luck, just daily action. Remember, you don't need a new year. You don't need Monday. You don't need motivation. You need 5 seconds of courage. Stand up. Start right now, because the life you want is waiting on the other side of action. Outro. If this video helped you, don't just like it. Do one thing immediately. Study 2 minutes. Do 5 push-ups. Start something. Action greater than inspiration. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get better every single day.